Did you know that some music boxes play even when no one touches them? It started 3 nights ago. A soft melody coming from the attic.
I closed it. I swear I did. But last night, it was open again. Spinning slower this time.
Tonight I didn't touch it, but the music started anyway. And this time, I heard something breathing with it.
I smashed it. I swear I did. But when I opened my eyes, she was standing right beside my bed. The melody still playing from inside my chest.
Your turn to dance.
Follow me for more horror stories. I'll be waiting in the dark. Sweet nightmares.